Whoa, hey, what's going on, guys? It's Mr. Legit. We're here in Portland. Man, it's nice to see you guys today. It's super sunny. I don't know what it's like where you guys live at, but over here in Portland, it's super sunny, super nice to see the birds out chirping and all that stuff. But today we got a kind of a special little video. If you guys have been following the channel, you guys would know that I'm a roofer. I've been doing it for, I don't know, 20 years. Since I was 18, I'm 37, so I don't know, pushing about 20 years. But I'm not roofing today. Today we're actually making a marketing commercial for my company. I have a company for 10 years and it's our 10-year kind of like a giveaway. We're gonna give away $10,000 to somebody's home exterior project, right? It might be roofing, siding, and windows. We don't really know yet. So what we're gonna be doing is giving this away, hoping that on like Facebook and through social media that they click the link and then they fill out their information, and then we're gonna call them up and say, hey, sounds like you have a project, yada, 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 right? And the rest is history from there. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. And this is like the last clip. Now, I'm gonna show you guys, what I might do is kind of go show the commercial and then kind of over talk it and let you guys see it all, kind of how we made it and what we did. Good morning, Marge.
Good morning, but you're late.
I know. Hey, Portland homeowners, it's 2021, it's the year to celebrate. I'm David Hazelton, the founder here at Legit Exteriors. Hey, Brad, how you doing there, buddy?
Hi, Dave.
It's our 10th year being legit. Psh, not giving away no cake. We're giving away $10,000 towards your next home improvement project. Come and celebrate with us. Enter a chance to win $10,000 towards your next home improvement project. Do you need a new roof? What about our super sexy siding? Maybe even our windows. Let's get your home working so efficiently, your utility company will wonder what happened. All installed by our legit handpicked professional installation crews.
$10,000 for a home exterior project? You better click the link.
See, it's kind of cool. We get double whammy. We get out here and check on the boys, and we're gonna shoot the commercial. So, man, we found a perfect spot. We just found the first ladder, and what we're gonna do is just kind of get up there. I'm gonna put the hoodie on with the tool bags on, and just kind of walk up and then just turn around, and it's gonna be me. You know what I mean? So, yeah, it doesn't have to be something fancy. That's the cool thing about making these commercials. You don't really have to spend too much time. It's not about making it all Hollywood. You know what I mean? So we do the best we can, and this should work right here.
Camera rolling and action. You're not supposed to walk away. All right, and action.
Hey, Dave.
All right, and action.
Oh, hey, Dave. All right, guys, so this is me suited and booted. Let's go ahead and get this thing done. How's my eyebrows look? I can't even really talk, man. Here, this is how they want me, like this. How does that look? What do you guys think? So basically, is this how roofers look? Maybe this is my, they have a wig too. This might look like, what's that guy's name? BDR? Hey guys, what do you guys think? Does this look like BDR or what? Nah, I ain't trying to be no BDR, but I guess this is the stereotype, what they think roofers look like. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump up there. And some of this shot that you see right here, this is just, this is gonna make the cut, man. I mean, I'm just talking to you guys, and some of this, I'm not sure which shot, but this is me right here. And I think I'm gonna be more like, what am I saying though? I don't even know what I'm saying.
You just say hey.
It doesn't matter. Hey. Up here. Hey. 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 But yeah, check this out. I'm gonna get back to the office, and I'm gonna kind of give you guys a breakdown. I'm gonna give you guys a breakdown of what it kind of looks like and what we did. But yeah, this shit's getting in my mouth, dude. Let's catch you guys back at the office. I should be like this and then turn around.
You're late, Dave.
So, first of all, I apologize, man. Those pants that I'm wearing in the beginning of the video, my zipper, man, all day long I had like 3 people out telling me, Dave, your zipper's up, your zipper's up. I'm like, you know how you got those pairs of pants, you just walk around and it just unzips? That was that pair that day. So I think I have to, I don't even remember which pair it was, so, but next time I wear those, I'm gonna throw them in the garbage. Maybe I'll put like a big X on the knee or something like that. All right, guys, so we're back at the office and I'm kind of dissecting it, the video. It's out, it's released, I'm super excited about it. I think it came out pretty good. We came up with this character called Marge, and it's actually just a person that is in the office working, right? But it's actually like my wife. So my wife had this dress that I put on and it fit, right? And she came in and there's some shots of like her hands, I think, and maybe her feet tapping on, maybe I think her foot's tapping. That's my wife's foot, and there's some video of it like from the background, which is obviously not me. But when it turns, I'm just right there. I'm gonna say good morning, Marge, and then it's gonna go boom to her, and then it's gonna go back to me. Hey, Portland homeowners. Yeah. All right, okay, I got it. You're gonna cut. Okay, I got it.
Portland homeowners.
Huh?
They could do better, yeah.
So do I.
And action.
Hey, Marge, how you doing?
You're late.
I know. Hey, Portland homeowners. 2021, it's the year to celebrate. It's 2021, the year to celebrate.
Dave, you're late. Hello.
All right.
Good morning, Dave.
I'm just gonna, way too much fun.
Project? Wouldn't click the link.
So there's that clip, and then there's the clip. So then there's another clip that is about click the link, and I was like, okay, click the link, and that's what they put in the script, right? So I turned around, whipped my hair around, and I was like, click the link. When I was like, you know what? Let me get a little bit more into it. So I started getting a little bit into it, and yeah, it was kind of fun.
Listen, sugar, if you want to win $10,000, you better click the link.
So Marge is this character that's like kind of rude, and she thinks she knows everything, right? So it's kind of funny it was kind of fun to do, and you know, it was kind of funny. Ready?
And action.
All right, and then we had another clip, right, where I went back to my house and I was like the utility inspector, and I think I forgot I was gonna wear like a wig or a mustache or something, but we forgot that. You know, the goal of it was like, hey, you're utility inspector, and then I whipped and he goes, me again, right? So all these little characters are me, right? And that's kind of what we're trying to rebrand myself into the Portland community. But so questions and answers on this kind of marketing, it's pretty fun to do. The benefits of making a commercial obviously are more leads, I think. And as we do this, as we do more marketing for commercials, I think we're gonna attract more attention from the local community that are just gonna see us. And the goal is to like embed my face, like that's where we're kind of rebranding legit to like more my face, and I'm a local guy, and just kind of pound that out to Portland to let them know that, hey, I'm a real roofer. Because there's a lot of companies that are just sales driven, which is, you know, that's fine, that's whatever, but we can do both, you know what I mean? That's why I think I have the best of best worlds. Like we can sell and we can produce and market too. Marketing is always pretty fun. So the commercial took, I don't know, probably we actually shot the very first scene, right? And the very first scene probably took the longest because we had to set up some lights in the camera and all that jazz and get, you know, the microphone on, and then we realized that there was no double in there, so we had to actually reshoot it. But the second time we reshot it the next day, it was, you know, super quick. It probably took us maybe an hour for the whole thing. So I don't know, I would probably say 8 hours, maybe a little bit more for the editing. For me, it wasn't that long, but for the editor, for everything, I don't know, maybe a day or two, you know, to do everything. It was a lot of fun. Is it worth the time, man? Of course it's worth the time. I think anytime you're investing your time into marketing, it's worth your time. Might not have the best ROI as something else could be, right? But I think that, you know, video is a pretty good way for anybody. Even if, like I said, even if you guys are just an enthusiast that wants to get on YouTube that are a roofer, I like to check it out. I don't look too much into roofing videos, right? But I just kind of watch what people do a little bit. I like to watch stuff with cars, man. Anything with motors. I watch like people rebuilding cars and stuff like that. That's what I watch on YouTube. I don't really watch roofing channels too much because that's what I do every day, you know what I mean? So I don't really watch too much, but I do catch some stuff here and there. I'm sure that anybody, you know, like the main YouTubers, Zach of All Trades, Dimitri, all these bigger roofing YouTubers, I'm sure they don't watch every video that I have, but I'm sure they've caught it and they're probably like, oh man, get on there, maybe hate a little bit or whatever. I'm sure, you know, everybody's got a little hate in them. So check out the other YouTubers and seeing what they're doing. And I like them all. I'm subscribed to them all just because it's showing some support for the Rivet community, right? All right, guys. So if you guys like that video, that silly video that we had, let me know. And if you think it was a little too aggressive or too stupid or corny or whatever, let me know that too. I know it took a lot of balls to do that because I don't think every man wants to dress up as a chick. But anyways, I'm going to catch you guys later. You guys have a good rest of the day. We'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.